I'm Mike Branch, Vice President of Data and Analytics at Geotab. During a period of rapid growth, my team was struggling to keep up with employee onboarding and training. We were giving the same presentations over and over again as new people were hired. When I learned we could quickly and easily record these presentations with Enable Education, I just knew I had to try it. Enable made this process so easy. First, their education experts consulted with us to define our learning objectives. Then they helped us narrow down broad concepts into specific, laser-focused topics. They gave us pointers on how to design our slide deck and even suggested what to eat, drink, and wear the day of our recording session. Once in the training room, a video producer gave immediate feedback on performance and helped my subject matter experts feel comfortable in front of the camera. We spent 4 hours in the studio, and 2 weeks later, we were presented with 2.5 hours of professionally edited videos to share with our growing staff. It would have taken us much longer to create those 14 videos on our own. That's why we came back to Enable to explore next steps. Now we're creating digital learning experiences that will help existing staff update their skills, help new staff feel fully productive sooner, and let my subject matter experts stay focused on their jobs instead of stopping to deliver repetitive presentations. I can tell that everyone at Enable, from the video producers to the education experts to the training managers, really care about Geotab's success. They took the time to learn about our pain points and design custom solutions that will help my staff become more productive. Enable Education is a true collaborative partner, and I'd highly recommend them to any team looking to grow and thrive.